Find the vertex, focus, directrix, axis of symmetry, and then graph the parabola. And here we have probably the most famous of all the parabolas, y equals x squared. It's the first parabola any of us probably ever graphed. And in fact, there's no sense in not just going on and sketching that quick picture that we've known for what probably feels like 1,000 years, right? We know this parabola goes through 0, 0, and then these 2 points, and we've graphed this a whole heck of a lot, right? So there's the graph of y equals x squared, not drawn particularly well here. Maybe I'll do that better in a moment. Well, so now that we know a little bit more about parabolas, I think I'd actually want to think about this in the form of x squared equals y, right? Because what I'm actually thinking about is this is the equation x squared equals 4 times py. This is the equation of a parabola going through the origin with a focal diameter of 1, and where p would equal 1/4. Right? This is the equation of a parabola who has a focus 1/4 unit above the vertex. So it would be at 0, 1/4. So about right there, pretty close to the vertex, especially on that scale. The vertex we know is the origin. The directrix now, well, I'd say that's at at y equals minus 1/4. And then finally, an axis of symmetry that's running up the y-axis, that's the equation x is equal to 0. So really at this point, I've satisfied all the requirements of the problem. It's just, I think I could draw a better parabola now that I know more. P is equal to 1/4, so I'm just going to think about putting tick marks every quarter. And then I have my vertex, the focus. I need one little quarter tick mark down here to put the directrix in place. And see, I know that the focal diameter is supposed to be 1. So 1/4, 1/2, 1/4, 1/2. I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. There's my focal diameter of 1. Now I still know that if I plug in a 1, I get out a 1, right? This is still a function, minus 1 and 1. So I think I can draw this parabola even better. The left-hand side came in a little better than the right-hand side, but there is that very first parabola we ever graphed that in our pre-calc algebra course we called the standard squaring function. And so there we have it.